Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to several stores. I'm going to Sandro, Maje and Ba&sh. There are sales right now and all the clothes look so pretty. I hope that you will like this video and will find it interesting. By the way guys, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. Do subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. And follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. Actually, I just came to pick up one item, but I saw so many beautiful clothes and I just decided to try it on. Even this top is so cute. I just like the way it looks with the jeans. The color combination is stunning and it's quite light. It's perfect for local weather. I love the beige buttons, so cute. Actually, Sandro is one of my most favorite brands. They have such classic and beautiful clothes that fit so nice and I hardly ever have to alter it. I spotted this beautiful white sweater. Well, it's off-white and it's so flattering. I just love it. I previously tried it on in a pink color and I'll link down that vlog in the description box below for you guys in case you want to check it out. That's when I came to the store and bought some other things as well, which are still available. They're also on sale right now, but I paid the full price for both of them, but that's okay, I still love them. I have been wearing them non-stop. I am obsessed with this sweater, it's so cute. I love the fact that it's cropped and it would look great with absolutely everything, with jeans, with trousers, with skirts, even with dresses. I think it's a stunning piece that I'll be reaching for quite often, and I love the pearl buttons. They are just so elegant and classy. This sweater is just so adorable, I love it. Next up is this super cute jacket in white and it also has some gold threads. It's really pretty in the real life and up close. I just love it. I spotted it right away, it's just so gorgeous. And I love the fact that the buttons are gold. It will be quite easy to match it with my jewelry because most of my jewelry is from yellow gold. It will also look great with my bags because they have gold or light gold hardware. I'm obsessed with it. The cut is so flattering, I don't even have to alter it. I like that it's a bit loose, but it just sits just right. And the length of the sleeve is perfect. It's not too boxy like some of the jackets can be. It's one of the most flattering cuts that I've seen so far. I love it. I'm so glad that it's on sale now because I was eyeing it last time. Lately I have been so obsessed with the white or off-white colors. I just want to get all the clothes that fits nicely in these colors. They are so timeless, classic and elegant. And I also have been obsessed with the navy blue and I'll try some beautiful outfits in this color and show to you. I also spotted these beautiful trousers. They are high-waisted and I love the color. They are made of tweed. The fabric of the trousers is so stunning. These ones are in a size extra small or size 0, and also there is a matching jacket. I'll also show to you how it looks, but that jacket is not in my size, it's in a size small, but still I just want to try it on and see how it looks. I'll try it on separately with another pair of jeans and also with the previous trousers just to see how it would look together. I think it would be a lot more flattering if it was in my size, but still, I just want to see how it would look. Sandro has really cute sets in different color combinations. They also had it in a blue color previously, which is so stunning. But somehow I feel like I would prefer to wear them separately, for example the trousers with some other tops or the jackets with some other bottoms. Maybe I just need to get used to wearing more pink. Here is this pair of trousers for which I came today and I like them. These ones are in a size extra small I saw this online and I just had to come to the store and try them on. I have been on a hunt for a perfect pair in this color that is high-waisted, that feels comfortable and quite flattering. And I think these are perfect. I love the cut, I love the fact that they are high-waisted, the color is stunning. The only thing is they are a bit loose in the waist. I would have to alter just a bit, but the store can definitely do it for me. It's not a problem at all. I will see if I will keep the length of them because they are a bit long, but I actually like that they are this long because usually trousers are a bit shorter. Maybe I'll just wear them first and see how I feel and if I need to go back to my seamstress. I really love these trousers with this sweater, such a cute combination. It's like 50 shades of white. This collection is so beautiful. I just love so many clothes and I feel like I'll end up getting quite a few today because they're all so flattering, so gorgeous. I also spotted these jeans. They are pretty cute and they remind me of my Givenchy jeans. They wore these jeans also in a black color and I think they were in a blue color. It's a very interesting style and I do like the way they look with the white top. I just don't think they are particularly very flattering on me. I have to say they are pretty tight. Maybe I just need to get used to them. I have to say I do like them with the white top. It's a nice look. But yeah, the fit is not my cup of tea, that's for sure. Next up is another pair of jeans and this one is kind of cute. I do like it, but I have to say they are a bit big in the waist, but I do like the design. It's pretty cool and the color is stunning. I think they would look amazing with a crop top, with some cropped sweater. I actually have a very similar style of jeans in black. I like them. I have been wearing them quite often as well. And they do look very flattering with crop top or anything that is very figure hugging at the top. You cannot really wear it with something loose because you want to create some kind of shape. Moving on to another pair of trousers and I'm in love with them. I just love the color. I have been obsessed with navy blue lately. And I love these white buttons. They are so cute and the way it looks with the white top, it's so adorable. And I have to say the fabric of the trousers is very nice. It's very good quality and the trousers are very well made. I love the fact that they are high-waisted. I have been looking for a perfect pair of trousers and I think these are it. There is also a matching jacket that I'll show to you as well. It is cropped and it's very cute. I just love the way it looks with the trousers. I really love this look. It's so cool and so edgy and I feel like I can wear them separately as well and mix and match and create different outfits. And that's what I like in the clothes. I want it to be versatile so I can create as many outfits as I want to. Otherwise, there's just no point of adding it. And I feel like both of these can match a lot of clothes in my wardrobe as well, which will make me wear them too, which is very important for me. Because nowadays I only add items that match very well with my existing clothes. Anyways, let me show you the skirt. And actually you can see on the website model put on the skirt on top of the trousers. I suppose you can create that look as well, but I would prefer to wear them separately. It's a mini skirt, but actually it's okay. The fit is quite flattering and it's also high-waisted. Initially I was not sure about it because I hardly ever wear mini skirts, but actually because it's so well made, I just love the fabric and the fit is so flattering. I think I will get it. It's a really nice fit. I can wear it on its own and I just love the way it looks with the white top, or I can match it with the white or off-white sweater. I feel like I would be reaching for this skirt quite often. And of course I can always wear safety shorts with it, which I typically do. And the fit is just perfect. I do not even have to alter it, which is fantastic. The store also had a pair of shorts. I forgot to film them, but I feel like the fit of the skirt was a lot more flattering. I definitely prefer it to the pair of shorts. Next up is another skirt, and it's kind of cute, but I'm just not sure about this particular color for me. It feels quite comfortable though, but I feel like it would crease very easily. And maybe it wouldn't be that easy to style it. The colors I could possibly pair it in my wardrobe are white, black, brown, and maybe beige. There is also another version of the same skirt. I will show it to you. And here is exactly the same skirt in a gray color. I feel like it looks a lot better. It looks a bit more expensive. Actually, I do like the length of the skirt. It's not too short. I kind of like that there is this line on top in a white color. It's pretty cool. And which skirt do you guys prefer, this one or the beige? Please let me know in the comment section down below. I'm always curious to see what you're going to say. I'm going to think about this one. I definitely like it, but I just have to make sure that whatever I buy, I'll be able to wear quite often. Otherwise, there's just no point purchasing it because I just don't want to keep it in my wardrobe and collect the dust. Sometimes I just take a couple of days just to sleep on it. I like something, I come to the store, I take pictures, I try on, and then I go home, think about it for a while. If I still love it and can't stop thinking about it, I definitely come back and purchase it. That's just my approach for shopping nowadays. So far, I did not have any buyer's remorse, and I'm going to continue to keep this approach. I decided to have a quick stop at Maje, and they also have sales. I saw this suit, it's so adorable, but I'm not sure if the color suits me. I feel like it washes me out, but other than that, I love the fabric on its own and I love the style. Ba&sh also had sales, and this sweater is so adorable. It's in gold, but again, I feel like it washes me out, so yeah, I won't be getting it. Anyways guys, this is it, and I'm planning to post a consolidated unboxing very soon. I'm just waiting to receive a couple of items that I have recently ordered. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please consider to do so. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account. Black and gold style. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!